Hi guys, today I am going to share with you my experience with Adidas CF Advantage Cloud-foam, and I just bought these sneakers just few days ago, and just want to share my experience. The box looks like this: Adidas Neo, green color box, very good color, and as you can see the code and everything over there. So I just want to open it. I want to share my experience. Shoes are amazing, pure white, clean, decent, and amazing shoes, guys. And when you wear them, you will feel the difference. And maybe some of you guys know about this technology called Cloudfoam, and when you wear it, only then you can feel. I cannot tell you by words. Basically that's like a Cloudfoam memory footbed. It's very soft, very bouncy, and when you wear it, gives you a great comfort to your shoes, guys. To your foot, sorry. And it's good for normal walk. If you, it's basically a casual shoes. Obviously, you cannot wear it for gym. You cannot wear it for running. Just a normal walk. If you go outside for a party, in the college, in the university, or somewhere you want to go. So my experience with this is amazing. The shoes are amazing, guys. And you see here famous black stripes, Adidas logo, as you know here, Adidas logo, and stripes over here as well. And very fine shoes, very clean, as you know. And that's the material they use for these shoes. And very good fabric, and the stitching is really amazing, very clean, very smooth. You can see from here. So the shoes are amazing, and I like them and wear them more times. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share your comments, share your ideas with me. I will be happy. Thank you very much.